If you're interested in building your own products, you've likely considered purchasing a die cutting machine. However, rather than buying a machine immediately, you might want to weigh the advantages of purchasing a machine or working with a converter. As a flexible material converter ourselves, we've bought our fair share of die cutting machines. Because of this, we're well aware of the cost risk and other potential negative repercussions of making this purchase and the type of companies we've seen thrive under outsourcing. By watching this video, you will have a better understanding of what your next step looks like, whether that's searching for machines or finding a converter to partner with. First, let's cover what die cutting is used for. Die cutting is used to cut shapes from flexible materials used as part components in product assembly. A die cutting machine refers to a rotary or flatbed die cutting machine that can be outfitted with tools for cutting, printing, and adhesive bonding or lamination. Now, how can you decide if buying a machine or hiring a converter is better? Like any other business decision, the choice between insourcing and outsourcing depends on your ultimate business goals. Buying a die cutting machine allows you to dictate how your products are made in further detail. You can customize components however you want without stressing about constant back and forth sample exchanges, and you won't be slowed down by shipping finished parts. However, you will need an experienced operator to run the machine. You will need to pay for repairs, tooling, and all the other startup costs. Working with a converter allows you to tap into another area of expertise. Adhesive converters have years of experience working with different flexible materials, which is why they will produce your part and optimize it for more cost-effective manufacturing. Working with a converter also allows you to not worry about repair cost, and you only pay for partial tooling costs. If you're still watching this video and you think a die cutting machine makes more sense, here are some brands on the market that we trust. Delta ModTech for rotary die cutting, Preco LLC for flatbed die cutting, and Zund for digital knife. So, how do you find a converter? When searching for one, it's important that you find one that has the right tools and expertise to optimize your production process. If you're still looking for a converter, you can start by scheduling a project consultation to discuss your design and application with Strouse.